I want to thanks Chetan for guiding and supporting me in this journey of Scrum Master. It was a 2 month boot camp, and I've been working as a software tester for the past 8 years. And I was looking forward to change my profile as a Scrum Master, and that's when this boot camp and the web seminar by Chetan has helped me, and it has guided me towards my journey. And today here I am. I have received two offer letters, one from Entity Data and one from Wipro. So I finally decided to join Entity Data. That will be next week. I have got a hike of around 70%, which is like a really great number. So really my heartfelt thanks to Chetan and team who has been there supporting in this journey and guiding. When it comes to boot camp, it was really helpful. I had no idea how to prepare, where to get the questions, but this boot camp with Chetan has helped me. It was like a hand holding session. All the trainings, all the tools which were we need to go through, understand or get practiced on was provided, along with the interview questions and answers were provided by Chetan, and all the doubt sessions, queries has been resolved by Chetan. It was really an awesome journey, amazing journey. Apart from that, it's not only the classes which will help. Your efforts has to be put forward as well. So along with Chetan's training and your efforts is something I think you can achieve everything. And me myself is the proof that I have achieved. I have received the offer letters, and the entire team for being there, for supporting, for guiding, for mentoring, and because of their help and my efforts too, I have achieved this role as a Scrum Master. So I've been given a senior consultant role in Entity Data, which is really good. And for whoever is watching, all the best to all of them. And that's it from me. Thank you.
Check out the CSM course by industry-leading experts. Register now on the Star Agile website. Check out the link in the description.